Hi everyone, today we are doing the review for Microsoft HoloLens. So this is the device I received today. So this is Microsoft HoloLens and yeah, open like this. So this is my HoloLens and this is the HoloLens 1. This is not the advanced one, HoloLens 2, but this is the booklet of the Microsoft HoloLens we received. With this we have some instructions files, so that is guide, and with this I receive one wire, the USB wire, and also we have received some, this for cleaning, and this is for the nozzle stand. So yeah, this is the nozzle stand. One is there inside, but one more extra we received with this. And yeah, so one nozzle stand is here, so it's already is already there. Okay, and let's go drive into the how the Microsoft lens will work. So you can see here we have one button. Okay, if you can see, this is button, this is the volume key, this is a volume key this side, and this side we have the brightness controller. Okay, so how we need to wear this? So here we have this loose, you have to lose this, and you need to simply wear this. I'm wearing my glasses. So yeah, so now, so okay, let's go into the Microsoft HoloLens. I'm starting this, and let's see how the Microsoft HoloLens will work. Welcome back, guys. So now I weared my HoloLens, and you can see here also I connected with my system. So this is my system, and you can see here we connected with our system. So this is my system view of my HoloLens. You can take a photo, you can make a video with this, and also you can see here this all the view of because this is the augmented reality, this is not the virtual reality, so you can view everything outside of your environment. So that is a benefit of augmented reality. Now let's learn about the gestures. So when you start this here, so you will be receive like this information. Okay, so how it will be work. So let's see, let's start with this.
First, adjust your device so you can see all four corners of the rectangle.
So
When you're ready, say next.
next. So now you have to adjust, you have to understand your HoloLens and everything. So you can see here now the virtual screen on your system.
Next, I'll show you how to select holograms.
You can see
The first step is moving the cursor. To do this, just turn your head. Make sure to turn your whole head, not just your eyes. Try it out. Turn your head toward the colored triangles. You got it. See how the cursor follows? We call
so
this
you can
gaze.
see I'm moving
When
my
you're ready
head,
to move
it's
on,
not
say
moving eyes.
next.
So it's work with the moving the heads. So next.
Now for step 2 in selecting holograms, the ready gesture.
So
This lets
this is
HoloLens
for
know
ready
that
gesture.
you're ready
You can
to
see
select
here
the hologram
this
you're
is
gazing
my
at.
hand, and
Make a loose fist and
yeah,
hold your hand out just
hold
a
your
bit
hand,
in front of
and
you.
then it will
Then
be.
point your index finger straight up toward the ceiling, like this.
You can see
You can
if
use
I
either hand.
correct
you
it,
try it.
and then it will be go.
Nice work. Try it a
Like
few
this.
more times. Remember, point your finger straight up.
So straight
got
up
it.
finger only.
One quick note about your hand position. HoloLens can see an area a couple of feet on either side of you. Think of it as a picture frame that moves with you. When you use gestures, you'll need to keep your hand inside the frame. To try this out yourself, say next.
Next.
Start with the ready gesture.
Here,
Hand
this is a
out,
ready gesture.
finger up. Now stretch your hand away from you in all directions. Make sure to keep it in the ready gesture. The frame will light up when HoloLens can see your gesture and dim when it can't. Now for the third and final step in selecting a hologram. Air tap.
Air tap.
Start
like
with the
this.
ready gesture, hand out, finger up. Then quickly tap your finger down, then all the way back up like this. Give
Like
that a
this
try.
we need to do, and it will be work.
Excellent, that's it. Now let's put it all together to select the gem.
So,
Gaze at the
like,
gem.
You can see here
Practice
this.
makes perfect. Yes, nice work. You can also use your voice to select. Tap and hold is another way to interact with holograms.
So
Try it out now.
Yeah.
Air tap like you did before, but hold your finger down.
hold your finger down like this. So you have to select like this. This is the gesture of the HoloLens, how it works. So yeah, so it's very simple to use. This HoloLens is not too much difficult, but what you need only the practice.
You're super close now. I only have one more gesture to teach you. It's called bloom.
It's a bloom.
Here's how to do it.
Bloom is like this.
Hold out your hand, palm up, and touch all of your fingertips together.
Like
Then
this.
open your hand, like
It's a
this.
bloom.
Go ahead and
So-
bloom to leave this app and go back to HoloLens Start menu.
Is a blue for the menu. So whenever you click on the blue, so it will become menu, like you can see here. So first I click this. Okay, now you can see I click on the bloom. Now my menu is here, and how it works. So this is the menu of the HoloLens, and you can see the all apps with the tab. You can see here